Are we just leaving the blind for now?
Yeah, leave it for now. Paint around it as best you can, and then when I take it down, I'll finish it off.
Okay. We've got a problem. And it sounds like a dog. It looks like a dog. It is a dog. Lottie, you need to get out. Come on. Alright, right.
Bye.
Bye. When you get back, please maybe bring me the step ladder. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a decorate with me. I've never done this before. I feel like a DIY channel. I picked the worst day of the year to do this. It is 30 degrees and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna paint a room. Smart. So I have an open tub of white paint and I'm basically painting the room white, so it's really not that difficult. Really not that difficult. I've never painted a room before, I've never painted a wall before. If I'm honest, I don't know what I'm doing, but if you didn't see the vlog from last week, this is becoming my office. This used to be my dad's office. I'll do a quick swivel round for you. Not that there's much to see. There's this wall, there's this wall, that's the door behind that little like jutty out bit. Then there's this wall, and then behind me here is the window. So I'm basically gonna start in that corner because down on the floor I've put a mat down, like a dust mat thing. So I'm pretty much ready. I'm just gonna go over the wall before I start with this. So cue some time lapses of me decorating. I'm so sweaty already and I haven't even started yet. I'm gonna start with dusting. Just purely because I don't want any like dust to get in the paint. I'm literally such an amateur, I don't know what I'm doing. Got my paint in here. I need to make sure the door's properly closed so the dog can't get in. I've also bought a roller. Apparently this is not a good way to paint a room. Apparently it's better to get a pad, but it's too late now. I've bought the roller, so this is what we're doing. So yeah, let's just get started. Absolute nightmare. All that's happening is the roller is literally just falling apart on the wall. So the wall is covered in fluff. So I really don't think that this is gonna work. Like, I'm looking at this, like, it just looks like it's gonna fall apart. This is why you should probably have a more expensive one. This costs £4 from Wilko. But like, honestly, I don't know what to do now because I've started this patch. Hi, weird patch on the wall. Bad roller, like, for God's sake, I don't know what to do. I'm really not cut out for this. Okay, so here is plan B because it's exceptionally warm. That wall thing, it just wasn't very good, it just didn't work. So I did also buy this little brush. I'm gonna go around all of the like plug sockets and light switches and like, what's it called, like a windowsill with the brush while I can, and then get a pad brush, which is like a square flat one, and use that instead because I think because it's cheap, it's just falling apart, which is a nightmare. Also, I'm so sweaty. Can you see that on my face? I'm literally like damp. But I've got the paint out now, so I'm like, right, I'm gonna start. Haven't picked the best day for this. What a nightmare. Yeah, round 2, let's go, kids.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe. But it's not real. We were close to see.
Right, look at the state of me. Look at this sweat. It's 30 degrees. I'm gonna literally have to stop. As you can see, I've done the world's patchiest first coat of white paint, but I'm gonna go over it obviously like probably either 2 or 3 coats because it's white covering grey. And on camera the grey looks pale, but it isn't pale, like it's like a medium shade of grey. And I am this sweaty. This is how sweaty I am. This is disgusting. This is actually vile. I've been to the gym this morning and I sweated less than this. So it's 5 PM, the sun is directly on the window and I'm just gonna have to wait until the sun's dropped down because I can't stand in this room, like look at me. I need to go somewhere and sit down and have a drink and come back, but I've done this wall very badly, done that wall very, very, very badly, and I've done a little bit of that wall. I haven't yet done any of this. There looks like there's no colour difference on camera. There isn't really in real life either, to be honest. Fair play if you are a painter or a decorator, because what a joke. So because it's been so hot all day, this is what is currently happening outside the window. Can you really see that? Oh my god. This lightning is like, it's terrifying. But I also really love it. There's no thunder, which is really odd. I've never seen it lightning like this ever though. Even in America, it didn't lightning this frequently. What the hell? I was telling you guys how hot I was. This is because of that. What the actual heck is going on? Oh my god. I have really never ever seen anything like this. Yeah, come and watch with me, my mum's here now. Lightning watching shows. The storm has now properly hit and it's raining, so I've had to close the window, but still going strong. So today is day 2 of the decorating, and I am about to pop back out to Wilko because I think I'm gonna run out of paint. Like, I thought 1 can of paint would be enough, but I don't think it's gonna be, so I'm gonna go and get another. I'm wearing even less clothes than I was yesterday because it's just so warm. Who decided to decorate at the end of August? Am I okay? Anyway, I have also burnt my head this morning on my hair curlers. Look at that lovely little scab. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna head to Wilko's now to buy the paint. I also might get myself an iced coffee while I'm there because it's next door to Starbucks and I'm really thirsty. I have just been to Wilko's, got myself an even bigger thing of paint. That is so heavy. I also got myself a cheeky Starbucks just because I haven't had a Starbucks in so long. Very off brand. Like, honestly, I haven't bought myself a Starbucks since, I honestly don't even know where. Get me through the painting. Having said that, it doesn't look as bad now it's dried. Like, it's very patchy, but don't forget this is white covering grey, so it's gonna take 2, maybe 3 coats. Like, it was never gonna be just 1 coat. So today is coat number 2, and then if it needs it, I'll go back this evening and do coat number 3. I'm not going to film loads because it's like, how much footage of 1 person painting a room white can you really watch? But I'll film a little bit today, hoping to not make as much mess. And I'm also going to watch Simon Wilson whilst I do it today, because yesterday I had music on, but I think I might put some vlogs on today while I do this because it gets really boring, if I'm honest. Coat is on. It's looking whiter, but it's still super patchy. I just got my mum to come in and be like, look, am I doing it wrong? Like, why is it patchy? And we can't work out if it's because the grey is quite dark and obviously white's the lightest colour, or if it's like just not really taken to the wall. Like, I don't really know what's up with the paint, but it seems to be still, like, it looks like it's just had 1 coat, but it's had 2. I'm also now absolutely covered in paint, as you can see. So yeah, it hasn't been overly successful, and I've been doing this for most of the afternoon on and off. I keep like going and doing some worky emails, carrying on, coming back, carrying on, just because more than anything it's really boring. Like, this is not a fun task, especially when you're just painting 4 walls white by yourself. However, I'm going to go over the bits that are really grey again, so like the bits that need doing, like at the top of the ceiling, behind the radiator, you know, the little bits with a little paintbrush, and then gonna leave it, I think, for today because I'm bored. I also have a load of furniture to put together in this vlog, so I'm gonna keep the painting short and sweet now because I know that nobody really cares. Look who's now helping me because I'm incapable.
In best outfit.
Yep, Dad looking his best. It's alright, look what I've got on for the 2nd day in a row. Ooh, attractive. So it is a different day. The painting is pretty much done, which means we are about to build the desk. I have my boyfriend Tom here, who is helping me, and by helping me so far I mean doing it, but I'm gonna help him. And we're gonna put it together, or try to. It's a big desk, so yeah, cue the time up. And here is the desk. Honestly, I didn't intend to cover it up and not show it, but I am actually going to save it for the office tour. We've recovered it over because we're doing some more painting to the walls and the gloss and everything to the skirting boards and the radiator over here. But you did a very good job, Tom. Well done.
Thank you.
Did you find it difficult? I actually don't think it was too bad for IKEA. Like, it could have been worse.
Customising IKEA's terrible lined up furniture. Is there any need for this many tiny little black things? How do you feel now they're successfully on the wall? Don't put anything on them.
Nothing?
They'll fall off.
Well, I hope they don't.
No, they're alright.
Yeah?
Should be okay for light objects.
They look good. They look smart.
Nothing too heavy. That one on the top's actually actually. Okay.
It is the next week and the bookshelves have just arrived, which is really, really good. So Harry and I are gonna open these and start putting these together now, I think. Hopefully, they look how they say they're gonna look on the box. So this is all I'm really gonna show you right now, but the shelves are done and they're up. This is another one. Nothing is really on them yet. Like, I have started to put a few books on them and stuff, but this is really not how they're gonna look. I'm just bringing everything in here that I want in the room. My dad also has so kindly put up my fairy lights. Now, you guys probably remember the fairy lights from when I was in Leeds. Oh, which shelf is best? Oh, that one's a bit high, the other's a bit low. Oh no, that one will do. But yeah, if you remember when I lived in Leeds, you can kind of see the desk has come together as well. The fairy lights that are up here are now in this room, but I'm not gonna show you anything else just because I'm getting into like actually putting it all together now and like decorating, and I want to save that for the office tour. There's still a lot to go. Like, I have a chair that's not arriving for 3 weeks, so the office tour is probably not going to be for 3 weeks, but by the time you're watching this it'll have already been a week, so it'll be like in 2 weeks time. There's a lot of stuff I want to like put on the walls and sort out and stuff. It's definitely not fully done, but this is the decorating part over. Bear in mind, this time last week there was nothing on the walls in terms of paint. There is now pretty much just the finishing touches left to go. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, smash a huge thumbs up. If you're excited for the office tour, let me know down below in the comments, and if you have any recommendations of homeware stores or websites that I should check out whilst I'm waiting to film that, also let me know down in the comments below. This has been a bit of an emotional journey, I'm not gonna lie. Decorating was tough. I really struggled that first day. I thought, I can't be bothered to paint this white, it's so much effort, but I'm really glad we did, because at the moment it's just looking so good, so cool. I can't wait for you to see the like finished result. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I shall be back super soon. Bye guys!